Located in the beautiful seaside village of Hihi, only minutes from the local boat ramp, this unique home, tucked away in a quiet cul-de-sac, has 2 titles, 2 separate living quarters, and 2 levels all in one. A spacious deck on the upper level overlooks the beautiful terraced gardens and Mangonui Harbour in Doubtless Bay. The upper level, with its high-beamed ceiling, features open-plan kitchen, dining, and lounge, all looking out to the blue waters of the bay, and a generous-sized master bedroom with walk-in closet, adjoining ensuite, and a separate toilet. The downstairs original 1960s self-contained cottage has internal access from the upper living quarters, as well as its own private entrances opening onto the garden patio. The beautiful terrace gardens with garden shed and tunnel house are irrigated with an artesian bore, providing year-round water. A separate boat shed and a large basement area for workshop and a garage, this property is a boater's and gardener's dream home in the sunny far north. Just 12 minutes to Mangonui and 45 minutes to Kerikeri in the Bay of Islands. To view, contact me, Leonie, One Agency, Far North.